Jasmine with WTI, and if you're tired of the bulky look of the wooden blinds or of the way that curtains look in the house, I have just a thing for you. These are motorized roller blinds from Smartblinds, and let me tell you, they are a game changer. Don't let these blinds intimidate you because they are so easy to install. All you have to do is put up the brackets that it comes with and you slide the blinds right into place. It takes no time at all, and the quality of these blinds is really what sets it apart from the rest. I love that it has this little bottom part that makes it like heavier so that it lays completely flat, no need to iron or anything. The quality of the fabric is just beautiful. It has an amazing texture. We have the gray color. It also is so smooth, comes out very straight when it rolls in and out. And the remote control is very simple to use with just 3 buttons, up, down, and stop. You can also set it to where it works with blinds in different rooms with the same controller. But one of the coolest things about these blinds is that you can also set it up with your smart home device. So since we have an Alexa, we can just say, Alexa, close living room blinds, and she'll go ahead and do it for you just like that. It makes life so much easier. It's so convenient, and also it's just really cool. But I just love how sleek they are, how clean it makes our living room look. It's just a really beautiful addition to our house. So if you're trying to replace your out-of-date blinds, you're going to want to check out Smartblinds. These motorized blinds bring your house to the next level. It's going to make your house just look so much more clean and sleek and modern. So definitely check it out. You're going to love it. It's so easy to install. They are great quality. They're going to last you forever. And that's my point of view.